Your living room is the heart of your home, the place where family gathers, guests are welcomed, and countless memories are made. If you're looking for a way to brighten the space, expand its feel, and add timeless elegance, installing bay windows could be the perfect solution. In Sumter, homeowners are discovering how these windows can completely transform their living rooms into brighter, more inviting spaces. The beauty of bay windows extend outward from the wall, creating a graceful curve or angular projection that immediately draws attention. Unlike standard flat windows, their design allows multiple panes to come together at an angle, opening the room to more light and creating a sense of depth. This architectural feature makes any living room feel larger and more luxurious, without the need for costly renovations. In Sumter's charming neighborhoods, bay windows also add curb appeal. From the street, they project elegance and character, giving your home a standout feature that enhances its overall value. Natural light and expansive views. One of the greatest benefits of bay windows is the flood of natural light they bring into your living room. Because they capture sunlight from different angles, the room stays brighter throughout the day. Whether you're reading a book in the morning sun or enjoying evening gatherings, your space feels more open and welcoming. Sumter's scenic surroundings make this feature even more rewarding. Bay windows provide panoramic views of your yard, gardens, or tree-lined streets, allowing you to enjoy the outdoors from the comfort of your living room. Creating a cozy nook. Bay windows don't just transform the aesthetics of your living room, they also open up new design possibilities. Many homeowners turn the extended ledge into a charming seating nook. With cushions and a few throw pillows, it becomes the perfect spot for relaxing with a cup of coffee, watching the rain, or even enjoying quiet moments with a good book. This added functionality enhances the comfort of your living space while giving you more ways to use and enjoy the room. Energy efficiency. For year-round comfort, modern bay windows are designed with advanced materials that improve insulation. In Sumter, where summers can be hot and winters brisk, energy efficiency is essential. High-quality bay windows help regulate indoor temperatures, keeping your living room cool in the summer and warm in the winter. This not only improves comfort but can also help reduce your energy bills over time. Customization to match your style. Another advantage of bay windows is their versatility. Whether your home has a traditional southern charm or a more modern design, bay windows can be customized to fit your style. From elegant wood frames to low-maintenance vinyl, you can choose materials, finishes, and glass options that complement your living room's decor and your home's exterior. Homeowners in Sumter often select bay windows to add character to older homes or to give newer builds a touch of architectural distinction. Boosting home value. Installing bay windows isn't just about beauty, it's also a smart investment. Real estate experts agree that homes with bay windows often have stronger resale appeal. Buyers are drawn to the extra light, the expanded feel of the space, and the timeless aesthetic. For Sumter homeowners, this means you're not only enhancing your everyday living but also increasing the long-term value of your property. Why choose bay windows for your living room? Enhanced natural light, brighten your space from multiple angles. Panoramic views, enjoy the beauty of Sumter's surroundings. Extra space, create a cozy reading nook or display area. Energy efficiency, stay comfortable year-round while saving on energy costs. Timeless style, add elegance and charm that lasts. Final thoughts. Transforming your living room with bay windows is more than just a home improvement project, it's an upgrade to your lifestyle. The added light, expanded space, and elegant design bring new life to your most important gathering area. In Sumter, bay windows are the perfect blend of functionality and beauty, offering homeowners a way to enjoy their living spaces like never before. If you're ready to make your living room brighter, more welcoming, and truly unforgettable, bay windows are an investment worth considering.